What's up, guys? Welcome to another Minecraft video. This is the Jayron mine. This is a piggy's Minecraft. This is stone. It's like a butter stone. And this is stone. She's like a hollow blocks. And this is a real stone. This is a limestone. And this is this is the dead stone. Look at the shepherd. And this is like in the cow. We have no cow. It's a chicken. Ouch! Who's that? Who's punching me? Ouch! Who's punching me? Ouch! Ouch! Ah! Help! Oh. I'm dead. Oh, stop punching me. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead again. Okay, who's that? Who's that? Okay, this stone, it's in the garden stone. This is stone, it's like in the house. A house stone. Okay. Oh, oh, oh no, I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna goodbye. This is a Jayron mine. Goodbye.